How to fix Instagram direct message not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, it's easy. First open Play Store and Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just type here Instagram and click on it, and then if you found your update, just click on it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone and try again. Turn off your Wi-Fi, then open Instagram and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And now if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, click Instagram and then click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.